Well, it is Thursday. The sun is shining brightly outside. It's 12:17, similar to yesterday, except the wind has picked up. And boy, that makes it feel a lot different, even though we're in the mid-50s right now. Chelsea's in now with what we can expect in this big change in the weather in the next 24 hours.
Yeah, that is right. First, we're already seeing the wind and then the rain, and then it's going to be cold. I know a lot of people have plans for tomorrow for St. Patrick's Day. However, weather is going to be a little bit of a factor in those plans. Right now, pretty quiet besides it being a little windy out there. Downtown Indianapolis, looking at Monument Circle, 55 degrees. We have winds out of the south, a little breezy at 17 miles per hour at times, gusting between 25 and 30 miles per hour. But that's really allowing those temperatures to warm up. Most of us have reached into the 50s at this point. It's 52 in Greencastle, 51 in Lafayette. Still in the 40s in Kokomo, but you'll be able to warm up into those 50s this afternoon ahead of the rain that is moving on in. So that is ahead of this low pressure system. Rain already moving through Illinois. This is going to be spreading west to east as we go throughout the afternoon, and especially as we head into the evening. So expect some rain showers for that evening commute, and that's going to continue overnight. And at times we're going to see moderate to heavy rainfall, especially as this cold front gets a little bit closer to us after midnight. Future track 13 paused at 1 a.m. and this will roll into the early morning hours tomorrow. On the back side of it, we are going to have some cold air mixing in. We could briefly see a few snowflakes mixing in with some of that rain or a wintry mix before wrapping up first thing tomorrow morning. So for the rest of today, rain increasing, and it's going to be windy tonight. So rain really after 3 o'clock and continuing into those overnight hours. I wanted to show you the winds as this cold front gets a little bit closer around midnight. We are expecting those wind gusts between 30 and close to 40 miles per hour. And even behind that, we are going to have a breezy conditions tomorrow with wind gusts between 25 and close to 30 miles per hour, which is going to be drawing in that cooler air. So we are actually going to start early in the morning. We could possibly still see those 40s, but then as that cold air mixes in, temperatures will be dropping into the 30s for the St. Patrick's Day parade. Rain or a mix ending early, and then the rest of the day is going to be windy and cold. The parade starting at 11:30. Temperatures are going to be in the mid-30s, and we are going to have to be dealing with those breezy conditions. Later in the day, it's going to be drier, but still holding on to those 30s. We have some changes on the way for this weekend. We could see a few flurries on Saturday. Staying cold, though. High of 31 on Saturday, a little bit more sunshine by Sunday.